Welcome to FutureFound AI, your complete beginner's guide to ChatGPT. In this masterclass, you'll learn how to write your first prompt, generate images, write emails, summarize PDFs, and prompt like a pro. No experience needed. Let's get started. If you've ever opened ChatGPT, typed a question, gotten a flat, generic answer, and closed the tab thinking, "This isn't for me," you're not alone. The problem was never ChatGPT. It's that nobody ever showed you how to actually use it. That changes right now. Getting started is simple. Go to chatgpt.com, sign up for a free account, and you'll land right here, the chat window. This box is where everything happens. Just type what you want, hit enter, and ChatGPT responds instantly. That's it. You're already using it.
A lot of people think you need a separate app to create AI images, but ChatGPT can generate images right inside the same chat you're already using. Just describe what you want. The more specific, the better. For example, a cozy reading nook by a rainy window, warm lighting, watercolor style. ChatGPT turns that straight into an image. And once it's generated, you can ask for changes too. Make it nighttime instead, and ChatGPT will adjust the same image for you. The most common mistake? Being too vague. Typing something like, "draw a cat," gives you a generic, forgettable result. Add details, style, mood, color, setting. Same tool, dramatically better output. Writing a professional email can eat up 10 minutes you don't have. ChatGPT can draft one in seconds. You just need to give it the right context. Try something like, "write a polite email to my manager asking to reschedule tomorrow's meeting to Thursday. Keep it short and professional." ChatGPT instantly returns a ready-to-send draft. You can copy it straight into your inbox or ask it to adjust the tone, like making it more casual or more formal. The most common mistake is typing something too vague, like write an email with no details. ChatGPT has to guess who it's for and what it's about, so the result comes back generic. Always include who it's to, what you need, and the tone you want. 3 details, and the draft comes back ready to send.
Nobody has time to read a 50-page PDF cover to cover. With ChatGPT, you don't have to. Click the paperclip icon, upload your PDF, and ask, "Summarize the key points of this document in 5 bullet points." ChatGPT reads the entire file and gives you back exactly that, a clear, organized summary in seconds. You can even ask follow-up questions, like, "What does Section 3 say about pricing?" And it'll pull the answer straight from the document. The most common mistake is just asking, "Summarize this," with no direction. You'll get a vague overview instead of the specific information you actually needed. Tell it the format and the focus, and you'll get exactly what you're looking for.
Remember that example from earlier? Can you help me with marketing? We got a flat, generic answer. Here's why. ChatGPT can only work with what you give it. The fix is simple. Add 4 things: your role, your goal, the audience, and the format you want. Watch what happens when we ask instead. "I run a small bakery. Help me create a 3-step marketing plan to get more customers this month using social media." Same tool, completely different result. Specific, actionable, ready to use. That's the entire secret to prompting. The more context you give, the better ChatGPT performs. It's not reading your mind, it's working with what you hand it.
So, do you actually need to pay for ChatGPT? Here's the honest answer. For most beginners, no. The free plan lets you do everything we've covered in this video. Chat, generate images, summarize PDFs, completely free. The catch is usage limits. After a certain number of messages, you'll hit a temporary cap and have to wait a few hours. ChatGPT Plus, at around $20 a month, removes most of those limits, gives you faster responses, and unlocks a few extras like saved memory across conversations and creating your own custom GPTs. My honest advice? Start free. Only upgrade once you're actually hitting those limits regularly, not before. Let's do a quick reality check on ChatGPT. The good and the not so good. The pros? It's fast, available 24/7, and genuinely useful for writing, brainstorming, images, and summarizing documents, like you've seen throughout this video. The limitation? It can sometimes get facts wrong, especially specific numbers, dates, or very recent events. This is called a hallucination. It sounds confident, but it's incorrect. Always double-check anything important, like medical advice, legal questions, or numbers you're about to act on. Think of it as a fast, capable assistant, not an infallible expert. Use it to speed up your first draft, then verify the details yourself.
So who's this actually for? If you're a student who wants help brainstorming or explaining a tricky topic, this is for you. If you're a small business owner or freelancer juggling emails, marketing, and admin work, this is for you. If you're a professional who writes reports, summaries, or presentations regularly, this is for you. And honestly, if you just feel like technology moves faster than you can keep up with, this is especially for you. You don't need any technical background. If you can type a sentence, you can use everything we just covered in this video. Here's one more thing that'll save you time on every single conversation from now on. In ChatGPT's settings, there's a feature called Custom Instructions. Click your profile icon, go to Settings, then Personalization. Here, you can tell ChatGPT a few things about yourself once: your job, your writing style, what you're usually trying to do. And it remembers that in every new chat automatically. So instead of re-explaining your context every time, you just type your question and ChatGPT already knows who it's talking to. For example, if you're a teacher, you could say, "I'm a high school teacher." Keep explanations simple and give real classroom examples. Set it once, forget it, and every conversation after this gets a little more personalized. It's one of the most underused features in the entire app, and now you know it. And that's ChatGPT. From your very first prompt to writing emails, generating images, summarizing PDFs, and prompting like a pro. If you remember just one thing from this video, remember this: the more context you give ChatGPT, the better it performs. That's the entire secret. If this masterclass helped you, hit subscribe to FutureFound AI. New AI tutorials like this one are coming every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.